Hey, this is Chuck with BMWBLOG, and I got a product review for you today. We picked up this 2021 BMW X3 plug-in hybrid, and it is the ultimate road trip vehicle, but it has a big problem when you go on a road trip, and there is really nowhere good to put your cell phone. BMW has a little spot in the center console that has a spot with an optional charger that you can put it, but you really can't even see half of the screen, and it's so far forward that it really isn't very functional. Enter WeatherTech's CupFone. Now, this is an interesting little device that I've found is like the perfect cell phone holder for your modern BMW. And the reason it's perfect is because it sets it at the angle so you can see it in your field of vision, and you don't actually have to reach down and touch it. And I like to travel with Waze or Google Maps on, and if you try to wedge the cell phone somewhere with trying to jury rig where you're going to place your phone, and I've just found that on our first trip up to South Dakota that it was pretty much worthless in experience trying to use your cell phone as navigation. Since then, WeatherTech was kind enough to send us one of these to test out, and it is something I think every modern BMW needs to have. It works kind of almost like a troika doll, those Russian nesting dolls, and you can size it to the correct size for your particular cup holder, and then you can hold it either in the vertical position here, or you can increase the width of these, and then place it in the horizontal position. If you have a modern BMW, the center console now has your gear lever, and then in front of that you have two cup holders, and then behind that is where BMW wants you to place your cell phone. And it just doesn't work very well for those of us that like to use our cell phone as our navigation. So I definitely recommend picking up one of these. They range anywhere from about $35 to $65 depending on what you want with them, in terms of if you want an extension or if you want it to have other things that it holds. But definitely recommend picking up one. They're designed and manufactured in the US. They've got this nice machined aluminum adjustable screws here, and we've been using it for about a month, and it's fantastic. And honestly, I don't think I'll go on a road trip or really drive our X3 without one of these, or certainly any other modern BMW without one. I've tried a lot of other car phone holders off of Amazon, and from wedging them in your air ducts, and I've launched them off. I just find this is a much higher quality product, and it doesn't require any modification to put it into your car, and when you need to pull it out, it's no big deal. You just pull it out, and there are plenty of other cup holders in the car to be able to use, so you can travel with this. This little key, shove it in this little kind of heart-shaped divot, and you smash, and it takes off one of this, almost like one of those little troika dolls. And that allows you to adjust the size that you need. And then once you've found the size you want, you went too small, snap another one back in. And then this adjusts the rake so you can tip it back and forth and see if you get the right angle. And then you can adjust the width on this on both ends, so you can lay your phone either horizontal or vertical. This little notch right there is for your cord. Anyway, if there are any other little things you would like us to review at BMWBLOG that are for your BMW, let us know, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.